Welcome to the Verb of the Day with Simple and Easy Arabic.
See. See as an imperative masculine. شوف. شوف.
How do we conjugate the verb in the simple present?
أنا بشوف. أنت بتشوف. أنتي بتشوفي. أنتو بتشوفوا. نحنا منشوف. هو بيشوف. هي بتشوف. هنن بيشوفوا.
This is how we conjugate the verb in the simple past.
أنا شفت. أنت شفت. أنتي شفتي. أنتو شفتوا. نحنا شفنا. هو شاف. هي شافت. هنن شافوا.
Let's look at some example sentences. Every time I see her, my heart falls from its place.
كل مرة بشوفها قلبي بيوقع من مطرحه.
Today I saw you while you were going to work.
اليوم شفتك وانت كنت رايح لشغلك.
I don't see you well. Maybe the internet is weak.
أنا ما بشوفك منيح. ممكن الإنترنت ضعيف.
Did you enjoy our video? And do you want to learn more? Check out our Patreon. If you become a Patreon, you get access to much more study material. See you there! Did you enjoy this video? You can support us by liking and subscribing. Thanks!